Hey folks, welcome to this episode of the Elmore Show. Today we're going to be making baked teriyaki chicken. Don't go nowhere. So we have here our ingredients. We got sugar, vinegar, the apple cider kind. We got garlic, ginger, cornstarch, soy sauce, and black pepper. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix all our stuff in this saucepan. What we want to do is we want this to simmer until it gets thick, and then we're going to brush our chicken with it. Mix our cornstarch and cold water. We're going to let that sit there for a moment. Once it thickens up, we'll continue on.
The Rod Elmore Show has partnered with New Baby Boutique. New Baby Boutique is an American e-commerce company who specializes in cute newborn baby outfits. Use the link in the description to receive 10% off your purchase. And go ahead and let New Baby Boutique help you create a special moment for your bundle of joy.
So it looks like our sauce is thickening up. Turn that down. Yeah, that's pretty good. So there are a couple ways you can do this. You can either take your sauce and you can brush it on your chicken like that, or you can take your chicken, dip it in your sauce, put it back in the Pyrex dish like that. Oh yeah, I put the chicken in the Pyrex dish like this because we're gonna bake it in the oven on 425. Take the rest of my chicken, dip it in my sauce. We're gonna do this to all of the pieces. I've already preheated the oven to 425. If you find that you need more sauce because you ran out, all you gotta do is make more. And the cool thing is, this is some great tasting sauce. If you really feel like in the cooking mood, I would suggest you brush your sauce on about every 10 minutes while it's going through its cooking phase, just to absorb that flavor. We're going to leave this uncovered. Go ahead and kick it over here into the oven. We're going to let it cook on that side for about 30 minutes. And we'll flip it over. Brush it with some more sauce. So just a quick recap. You put your chicken in the oven on one side for 30 minutes. That's after you brush all the stuff on it. After 30 minutes, you flip it. You brush more stuff on it. And you let it cook for another 30 minutes on 425 degrees. Yes. So it's a complete hour. Yes, and you got to make sure that the temperature reaches 165 degrees for your chicken, your internal temperature of your chicken. All right. So, and also every 10 minutes or so, I was brushing on sauce. I just wanted to make it as quick as I can for you so you can see the final product. There it is. There is the teriyaki chicken. As you know, I'm a fan of cauliflower rice, some veggies. You can have it with a red wine or not red wine or water, whatever you want. Just have it with it. It doesn't matter. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to hit that thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button. There's a little bell right there. Hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Who knows, you might find something useful that you like. I think you will. If not, keep watching. All right, till next time.